Welcome to Byte-Sized Python. A link to the Python download page is in the description. Go to the Python download link in the description and scroll all the way down. I will cover the Windows installation right now and the Mac one at a timestamp on screen. Click on the Windows executable installer. That's the one right here. Wait for it to install. Click on that icon. Press install now and allow it to make changes to your computer. Wait for it to install. Now press close. Click on the timestamp on screen now to skip the Mac install. Click on the Mac OS 64-bit installer and wait for that to download. Go to the download section of the taskbar and click on the package icon. Click continue, 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 agree, install. Type in your password and then click install software. Wait for this to install. Click back to the installer and then click close. Press move to trash. Now we will cover how to test if Python has been installed correctly. If you are on Windows, click on the Windows key and then type in idle. Use the arrow keys to find the one containing 3.9. That is the option right here. If you are on Mac, then click Command and space and then type in idle. Click on OK if it comes up with this prompt and then OK again. In the Python shell that has popped up, this window right here, type in exactly this, print hi. If there are no errors, then Python has been installed successfully. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and possibly subscribe. Have a great day.